Hey everyone, what's going on? Okay, well, I'm just building this, as you can see, this TV table that I picked up today from Ikea. So, I just started building this, so hopefully, I'll do this in the next half an hour. I'll try to put it together. So let me take the next steps, and I'll be right back. Hey, hey, what's going on? As you can see, it's coming along, right? It's coming along. It looks more like a table now than just planks and screws and the metal things attached to it. So basically, I'm at step 15 out of 40 steps, as you can see, right? I'm at 15. So let me just go ahead and complete the steps. Are in between, maybe when I get to 25, then I'll let you all know. All right. Hey everyone, what's going on? It's Sunday afternoon, so I'm building this TV table. I got from Ikea today. As you can see, it looks now more like a table with cabinets. So basically, I'm at not stage, but step 27. So I had 13 more to go. 13 more. So basically, as you can see here in the back, you can see the nails, right? And this cover here in the back. And I nailed these. Now I have to do step 28. As you can see, most of the screws and the binding things are gone. All right, I'll speak to you all soon, sooner than later. Hey, I'm back. So basically, I'm at step 36. So I have 4 more steps to go. As you can see, I built the drawer. Actually, I have to build 2, but they only show 1, obviously, because the other one is the same. So that way, I have to actually repeat these few steps to build the second drawer. Right? Looks good. So I'll speak to you all soon. Hey everyone. So basically, I completed the the table for the TV, the new TV I bought from Micro Center, as you can see, with the drawers and the top and the bottom. So looks good, right? Yep, it does. So you guys can try it at home if you buy something from Ikea. All right, I will see you all next time.